So we're going into the Templar tour tunnels.
Karen, I need to get one of those. I need to get one of those.
Yeah.
I want one.
Yeah.
It's like a tea. I ride my bike 30 miles a day, and I want one because when I'm in Arizona,
Yeah.
there are the weirdest.
Oh, I'm sure.
And the wall was thick, 28 feet wide.
Was that one expensive?
It was a couple $100. My wife got it for me.
Was a gilded lion peasant.
But they got newer ones. This is a very basic model.
Okay. But you can mount that one though.
Oh yeah, online you can get these packages for like $19 of all kinds of stuff.
With different mounts.
Yeah.
No, because I'm getting one. Is this wet?
That what box?
Yes.
It's
right.
Oh, probably. Yeah, it's the drip, moisture in here. Oh yeah, I can. Yeah.
Did your wife have trouble with your hip?
I'm sorry, what?
Did your wife have trouble with her hip?
Oh yes. Yep.
Is she gonna? I was a nurse. Is she gonna have a put in as if it's in my business? Did she get one?
I have no idea. I don't know. You could talk to her.
It's really common.
I don't know.
Yeah. The
Go
pain
ahead.
is terrible.
Yeah. She's been going to therapy,
Oh, okay.
so
Obviously, X-rated knees not that bad. I just happen to know that. Yeah.
I got this space in the right way.
Guys, don't lose the group.
Yeah, because we don't want to lose the group, because when we get in the marketplace, it'll be crazy.
Yeah, exactly.
On that side.
Yeah, man, you gotta duck your head now. You gotta walk like the Chinese do.
I'm glad we did that part already.
Oh, they got a two-way tunnel here. Enough people have cracked their heads on this. It's kind of like the Western Wall tunnels.
Yes, that was interesting.
Okay, so let's roll. Oh yeah, I recognize that. I remember that alley. We're going in, actually in the back, going back.
Oh, yeah.
Is that it, Yanni? Good.
So now we're going through the marketplace. Again, this is the way we came through before.